to my channel. We will be opening, I believe this is also a blind box card, whatever it is. It's gacha, so we love gacha. So this actually is a colorful laser ticket. So without further ado, we open this up. Let's not rip the packaging. I'm not gonna rip the packaging. Wait lang. Kaya ko to, guys. Got this. No, lapit na masira. Wait lang. Kaya ko to. I believe. Ayan. In 3, 2, 1. Oh! Yan, kapatid ni, I believe kapatid to ni Yor. So, there we go. If you like my polls, let me know. And if you're pulling one, let me know what your polls are. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye!